I'm going to demonstrate how to curl the hair correctly. So I'm using my smaller wand of the two, which I'm going to be using today. So this is a 25mm wand, and I'm flat wrapping the hair around the wand. You can see here where I'm holding the hair in place on the wand for a good few seconds, probably about 6 to 8 seconds. So when you release the curl from the hair, you need to hold it in your hand like I'm demonstrating here. Now I would hold the curl for about 8 to 10 seconds. You need to let the curl cool down in your hand before you release the curl. I'm now repeating this onto the next section, and as you can see, I'm holding the curl before I'm letting it release. If you let the curl release instantly, you are going to lose your curl, and when you finish the hairstyle, you're going to need to start recurling everything again. So this is a really good technique to learn. So what I'm doing now, I'm moving on to the other side of the head, and I'm using a larger barrel wand. Now this is the 32mm wand. So I just wanted to demonstrate two different curl types by using different size wand. So I'm doing the exact same technique where I'm flat wrapping, letting the curl cool, and then just gradually releasing that curl. So the reason I thought I'd show you with two different wands, as you can see the results that you get from using the sort of different size barrel wand. So they're again just going to let that cool and release that down. So I'm going to start dressing out these curls now. Now this is where we have to be really careful. So you can see I'm holding the hair in my hand. I'm not pulling it too tightly at the root, and I'm just very gently separating the curls. I am using a wide tooth comb, carbon comb, so it's anti-static. And if you look, it's just treat the hair as if it's very fragile, because if you brush this or separate it too aggressively, you are going to lose all of your curls. Okay, so just gently, and then if I was doing a full head, I would do section by section. So I start with the lower piece section and then gradually take a higher section and then do the next layer. So yeah, you can separate these curls with your fingers. But as you can see, I am being very gentle. So this is really important when brushing out curls. So now I'm going to move on to the other side. So there again, I'm going to do exactly the same technique, but what you're going to notice is a difference on this side. Where I use the bigger barrel, it's much more of a wave. You're going to achieve more of a wave than a curl. And there again, you know, I'm just fiddling with my fingers, just very gradually separating those curls, but you can actually see the softer side will give you more of a Hollywood wave result.